Rahu remedies in astrology. In astrology, Rahu is associated with various remedies to mitigate its negative effects or enhance its positive influence. Some of these remedies include mantras. Om Rahave Namah. Reciting this mantra daily can help appease Rahu and strengthen its positive influence. Service. Helping the underprivileged, engaging in charitable activities, especially those related to helping the underprivileged or marginalized, can help mitigate Rahu's negative effects. Gemstones. Hessonite garnet. Wearing a hessonite garnet gemstone, ideally set in silver or gold, can help strengthen Rahu's positive influence and provide benefits like material success and worldly gains. Rudraksh. Eight-mukhi Rudraksh. Wearing an eight-mukhi Rudraksh is believed to provide material success, worldly gains, and spiritual growth, all of which are associated with Rahu. Crystal. Cat's eye. Cat's eye is a crystal often associated with Rahu's energy. It's believed to promote material success, worldly gains, and protection from negative influences. Astrological significance of Rahu. Rahu's influence. Rahu's position in the birth chart can influence various aspects of life, including material success, worldly gains, and spiritual growth. Remedies for negative Rahu. Remedies like mantras, service, gemstones, rudraksh, and crystals can help mitigate Rahu's negative effects. Astronomical significance of Rahu. Rahu's definition. Rahu is a shadow planet, representing the north node of the moon. Rahu's influence on eclipses. Rahu is associated with solar eclipses, which occur when the moon passes between the earth and the sun. Scientific significance of Rahu. No direct scientific correlation. While there is no direct scientific correlation between Rahu remedies and their astrological significance, some practices like meditation and self-reflection can have a positive impact on mental well-being. Ketu remedies in astrology. In astrology, Ketu is associated with various remedies to mitigate its negative effects or enhance its positive influence. Some of these remedies include mantras. Om Ketave Namah. Reciting this mantra daily can help appease Ketu and strengthen its positive influence. Service. Spiritual practices. Engaging in spiritual practices, such as meditation and yoga, can help mitigate Ketu's negative effects. Gemstones. Cat's eye. Wearing a cat's eye gemstone, ideally set in silver or gold, can help strengthen Ketu's positive influence and provide benefits like spiritual growth and intuition. Rudraksh. Nine-mukhi Rudraksh. Wearing a nine-mukhi Rudraksh is believed to provide spiritual growth, intuition, and protection from negative influences, all of which are associated with Ketu. Crystal. Amethyst. Amethyst is a crystal often associated with Ketu's energy. It's believed to promote spiritual growth, intuition, and calmness. Astrological significance of Ketu. Ketu's influence. Ketu's position in the birth chart can influence various aspects of life, including spiritual growth, intuition, and detachment. Remedies for negative Ketu. Remedies like mantras, service, gemstones, rudraksh, and crystals can help mitigate Ketu's negative effects. Astronomical significance of Ketu. Ketu's definition. Ketu is a shadow planet, representing the south node of the moon. Ketu's influence on eclipses. Ketu is associated with lunar eclipses, which occur when the earth passes between the sun and the moon. Scientific significance of Ketu. No direct scientific correlation. While there is no direct scientific correlation between Ketu remedies and their astrological significance, some practices like meditation and yoga can have a positive impact on mental well-being and spiritual growth. Conclusion. The Rahu and Ketu remedies in astrology offer a range of practices to mitigate their negative effects or enhance their positive influence. By understanding the astrological, astronomical, and scientific significance of these remedies, individuals can make informed decisions about incorporating them into their lives.